Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of December, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to remain informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the second day of December, 2024, our system has ranked Meta as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations with an increase of 5.22% since we first recommended purchasing Meta 5 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.04% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock currently resides in the upper part of a broad and weak rising trend in the short term, indicating a potentially favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $628.34 will first signify a stronger rate of ascent. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 7.97% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 2.31% to positive 8.76%. In regard to the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 44.32% over the next year, with potential returns between 22.62% and 54.05%. This translates to a price range of $764.86 to $960.90 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Meta as stock downgraded to hold accumulate." The Meta stock price increased by 2.44% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of December, 2024, rising from $608.93 to $623.77. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.49%, with a low of $608.53 and a high of $629.79. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.78% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which indicates a positive technical sign. In total, 9 million more shares were traded than the previous day, leading to a total of 16 million shares bought and sold for approximately $10.18 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $629.79, while the lowest price was $320. Currently, the price stands at 0.96%, or $6.02, below the 52-week high of $629.79, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms has experienced a significant rally, with its shares increasing 2.4% to close at a record high. This surge follows a ruling by a U.S. appeals court which upheld a law requiring ByteDance to divest TikTok's U.S. operations. This development could greatly enhance Meta's market position, especially considering the direct competition the platforms face in the realm of digital advertising revenue. The stock has soared 77% this year, indicating a rise in investor confidence. In addition to the situation with TikTok, Mark Zuckerberg revealed that Meta's AI chatbot is nearing 600 million monthly active users. This expanding user base hints at a promising future for Meta's AI initiatives, potentially leading to increased engagement and new revenue opportunities. Furthermore, Meta has introduced an updated version of its Llama model, known as Llama 3.3, which offers more efficient processing and reduced costs for token generation. This advancement may strengthen Meta's competitive advantage in the AI sector, drawing in more developers and businesses to its ecosystem. Additionally, Meta announced a quarterly cash dividend of 50 cents per share, which is scheduled to be paid later this month. This decision is likely to please shareholders and underscores the company's strong financial position. However, while the current news presents an optimistic outlook, challenges persist, including regulatory scrutiny and competition in both the AI and social media markets. Overall, these developments are anticipated to positively influence Meta's stock price in the near term, fueled by rising user engagement and favorable investor sentiment. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Meta a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, UBS rated Meta with a buy designation, also recommending a hold action. Additionally, Scotiabank gave Meta a sector perform rating accompanied by a hold recommendation. Cantor Fitzgerald also evaluated Meta with an overweight rating and suggested a hold action on that day. Lastly, JMP Securities rated Meta as outperform while also recommending a hold approach. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is evident from the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $599.50, as well as $578.29. A decline below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 12.58%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also generated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, marking this as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 88 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 81 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Meta. On the downside, the stock has support just below today's price, with significant volume accumulation at $591.80 and $576.47. There is an inherent risk when a stock is approaching a support level, because if it breaks through, it could decline to the next support level. In this case, Meta's initial support is just below today's mark at $591.80. Should this level fail, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $576.47 and $567.58. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the overall risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $21.26 between its highest and lowest prices, reflecting a change of 3.49%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.98%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $6.76. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might want to consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $591.80. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of December, 2024, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 905 shares of Class A common stock. On the 4th of December, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sale of 22,946 shares of Class B common stock. On the 4th of December, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark also conducted an insider sale of 488 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Zuckerberg Mark conducted another insider sale of 968 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 4th of December, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark sold 952 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 39.253. In total, insiders purchased 105,338 shares and sold 241,840 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $600.12, reflecting a decrease of 3.79%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 85, which significantly heightens the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta holds several positive signals. However, we do not find these signals sufficient to consider it a buy candidate at this time. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, which means maintaining or accumulating shares while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock since our last evaluation from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate status. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of December, we anticipate that Meta will open down by $3.07, starting the day at $620.70. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from everyone here at Stock Invest.